Isosceles triangle. A triangle with two sides equal length. Isosceles means two equal sides. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite parallel sides called bases. The two non-parallel sides of a trapezoid can have any measure base angles. With an isosceles trapezoid, a trapezoid with two equal length sides, there is the pair of parallel opposite sides called the bases, and the other two non-parallel opposite sides of equal lengths, parentheses, isosceles, and parentheses, and therefore equal base angles. Base angles are angles along the base, parentheses, either base in the case of a trapezoid, and parentheses. An isosceles triangle is simpler than an isosceles trapezoid because a triangle only has three sides, and two of them are equal length. So the third side of the isosceles triangle, parentheses, the one not the same length as the two equal length sides, and parentheses, is called the base. The angle at which the two equal length sides attach to the base are called base angles, and in an isosceles triangle, they are equal. If the third side of an isosceles triangle were equal in length to the two equal length sides, then the triangle would become an equilateral triangle, parentheses, which means all three sides of equal lengths, and parentheses. An isosceles triangle can be a right triangle, parentheses, a triangle with one 90-degree angle, and parentheses, and then the triangle would become one of the two special right triangles, the 45-45-90 special right triangle, parentheses, the other special right triangle is the 30-60-90, and parentheses. The reason an isosceles right triangle becomes the 45-45-90 triangle is because if we start with a total of 180 degrees for the sum of the angles of a triangle, and subtract 90 degrees because it is a right triangle, then we are left with 90 degrees, which must be divided in half because the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, and 90 divided by 2 is 45, hence 45, 45, 90. There are many different types of triangles. A right triangle is a triangle with one 90-degree or right angle. An acute triangle is a triangle with all three angles less than 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with one of its angles greater than 90 degrees. An equilateral triangle is a triangle with all three sides of the same length. A scalene triangle is a triangle with all three sides of different lengths. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with two of its three sides equal lengths. Antonyms: scalene triangle. Related words: right triangle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle, equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, special right triangles.